Going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. Just up, drinking some coffee, pondering on life and a couple of decisions I got to make here soon. And I was just thinking, the way I design or the way I set up my Hog on Welding YouTube page is pretty much to be a personal blog, which I show certain things on how to do welding, how to invest in yourself, how to think outside the box. But the main thing that my page does is to give an example. You know what I mean? I want you to know that there is someone out here that started from the bottom and made it to his level, where he needed to be. And it's not all about welding. It's all about real life things. You know what I mean? That's why I talk about life. I talk about racism. I talk about love. I talk about pain. I show how to make money, how to think outside the box, because life is a rounded circle. And if I just focus on one end, that means I'm neglecting another end. So with my blog, I just want to focus on being free. That's my main focus, on being independent and being free to enjoy life. If you got to pick up and go visit someone in South Carolina, you can pop up and leave. It's not an issue, because now you learn how to utilize your money. You learn how to be free and how to truly be independent and enjoy life. That's what it's about, man. Spending time with your loved ones, with your kids, and actually doing something. And that's what my main focus is. Hold on.